Die with a smile. 32 counts, rolling 8. Weight on the left. Section 1. Right foot. Cross sweep. Cross side behind.
Rock to right. Recover quarter with sweep.
Right twinkle step. Left forward sweep. Cross side behind. Side drag. Count section 1. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Quarter sweep facing 12. Cross point.
Square up to 12. Forward sweep, 1 it right. Forward sweep, 1 it left.
Back to 12. Cross side behind. Side.
Touch. Rolling 1 with sweep.
Quarter forward. Together half.
3/8 with sweep, facing 130.
Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7,
8.
Section 3.
Half
Diamond following, traveling from
130
to 730. Cross side behind, behind side forward. Cross side behind, coaster forward. Now facing 730. 2 forward drag, forward left drag, forward right drag. Make a quarter turn facing 1030. Balance step, side, back rock, side, back rock. Count section 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and
Section 4. Side point right toe.
ball cross. Ball behind with sweep.
Still facing 1030.
Behind
1/8
forward, now facing 9. 3/8 diamond following from
9 o'clock to 4:30.
cross side back, behind side forward. Forward point.
3/8 forward on right. Continue making quarter turn. Step left together. Now facing 12.
Make half turn, sweep on 1, start a new wall. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, back wall, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. Wall 3, 4 counts, restart. 2 and 3, 4. Make a quarter turn, restart. 1, This is your wall 4. You finish the full wall. Wall 5 start at 6 o'clock. Wall 5, 28 counts restart. Wall 5, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Instead of 4 and make a
1/8
to 3 o'clock. For the restart, you just do behind side. On count 4 and restart 1. So this is your wall 6. Complete wall 6 and wall 7, 2 full wall. Wall 8, 13 counts to the end. Wall 8, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. Instead of the forward quarter sweep, for the ending, you just do forward 3/4 sweep, back to 12, step on right to finish the dance. So the last section for the ending count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,